Hello everybody, this is Eric from chastity-shop.com. This is an anklet, a Lady M, and this is a special request of the customer because the customer asked for a free spinning part at the top and at the bottom of the Lady M. As you can see, I can turn the Lady M and the chain part won't turn. A special request like this you can ask, of course. You ask and I manufacture for you. This one is with a Bergwachter cylinder lock. And of course, like every key of Chastity Shop, the sealed spare factory key. So this is the Lady M with special requested the free turning chain. The Lady M. Possible with an anklet, bracelet or necklace, of course.